Alrighty, it's been a while. I have a worm farm here that I created last year. Here's what it looks like. I got sick of buying worms and then like using half of them and throwing them away or forgetting about them and they burn up in the car. So I found this on the internet somewhere. It's just a regular tote and you drill holes on the top. I have some, okay, I don't have any holes in the side, I thought I did. And on the bottom, there's holes too, I believe. But doesn't really matter what size tote you use. But I put a layer of leaves, and then a layer of topsoil, and then a layer of leaves, and then a layer of topsoil, and I just kind of kept building it up. And I haven't checked on them. Well, with every layer, I added some water. But I have not added water or checked on them since probably late last summer. So let's see what it looks like. Alright, there we have one on top there. It's obviously still alive. There's another one. Still alive. Looks like it's plenty wet in there. There's still moisture. And digging in here a little bit. Now I added like dozens and dozens of worms last year. I have no idea how many is in here. Here's a little one. They are still doing really good. The problem is I don't know how much food they have left. Looks like they got plenty. Yeah, I really don't know how much food they have left. They still seem to be doing good, but I think I'm going to have to dump all this out on a tarp and collect all the worms and then redo it sometime soon so that I'll know that they're good. I mean, it looks like there's still stuff in here that they can eat. I see some leaves left. Some sticks. I don't know if they eat sticks. Look at a big piece of string. Where the heck did that come from? No idea. There's a sock! Where the hell did a sock come from? Probably the kids. I mean, really, I thought I'd be seeing some more worms in this. So maybe they aren't doing as well as I thought. It does seem a little dry. There's some leaves. Maybe they're not doing as well as I thought. There's some worms. There's one, a little baby one. But I guess it is a little dry. It could stand a little water probably. I mean, they're not like dry, just there's a little moisture in here. I don't know if I should add it now or wait until, see, I don't have any dry leaves or anything around the house because it's spring. I don't know. Let's carry this over to the, we'll just add some water just for the heck of it. Yeah, maybe I next couple of weeks I'll have to do something. Alright, let's change the setting. There's only one setting on this, I believe. Oops, I'll spray myself. Good lord. We'll just add a little bit of water here. I think that's good enough. If it's too much, it will run out the bottom. And I just store this in my basement. It's been in my basement ever since last year. Like I said, I don't think it's done near as well as I thought. Because I put a lot of worms in here. And I only found like a couple. So, I guess I will have to redo the whole thing and see how many worms are left, and then I guess add some more. But that's it for now. It should at least last like all summer. If you have extra worms, just throw them in there and you can use them and they won't go to waste. So I guess I'll come back when I redo the farm here.